Now I'm going to be showing how to adjust the idle and carburetor. Gas 125. Adjusting point is this air screw. Screw this in all the way and come out about 2.5 turns. Idle doesn't hold or it's shaky, then you adjust with the idle air screw. We are running a bit high. I need to screw this in because it's folded. Now to turn. Let's see how the idle runs. It's a nice response. Very linear. Now it's perfect adjustment. Perfectly running. A little bit lower actually. Yes, that's it. That is the one. Right there. Perfectly adjusted. Okay, we just adjusted our air screw, idle air screw. So now let's start. Let's see if it holds idle.